Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to discuss question answers of lesson 15, the United Nations Organizations. Short answer questions. Mention any two reasons for the establishment of the United Nations. First reason, fear of death and destruction. Second, failure of the League of Nations. Second question, when was the UNO set up? Right answer, 24th October 1945. Third question, what is United Nations? Mark this answer on page number 235. On page number 235, we will remember third point, the United Nations is the membership is open to all peace-loving countries. Question 4, who devised the name United Nations? Mark this answer on page number 228. Mark answer 4 on page number 228. Left hand side, Washington Declaration, third line. The term United Nations was devised by US President Roosevelt. Next question 5. Which day is celebrated as the UN Day? Right answer, 24th October. Why is it celebrated as so? Next question 6. Who attended the Yalta Conference? We will mark 5th second part and 6th answer on page number 229. First mark answer 5th second part just above the heading the United Nations. Last para means left hand side third para of this page. 5th line, the United Nations, which symbolizes the aspirations of mankind for peace and progress. Then mark answer 6, Yalta Conference on 11th February 1945. Churchill, Roosevelt and Stalin met at Yalta. This is our answer number 6, students. Next question number 7. When was the draft of the UN Charter first formulated? Right answer, in August 1941. Question number 8. When was the San Francisco Conference held? How many countries originally joined the UN? The answer is 26. 26 countries originally joined the UN. And we will mark 8th first part, San Francisco Conference held, page number 229. Answer number 8 on page number 229, left hand side, San Francisco Conference held from 25th April to 26th June 1945. Next question number 9. Who can become the members of the UN? Mark answer on page number 229. Answer 9 on page number 229. Right hand side, membership, last third line. Any peace-loving nation willing to fulfill the obligations contained in the UN Charter can become the member of United Nations. This is your answer number 9, chess students. Question number 10. Mention the languages used in the UN. Question number 11. Describe the UN flag. We will mark both the answers on the page number 230. Open page number 230, students. First mark answer 10. Third point, official language. Left hand side, you all can see the official languages of the UN are Arabic, Chinese, English, Russian, French and Spanish. Then above this answer, you will mark answer 11, flag and motto till 1947. Question 12, name the principal organs of the UNO. Question 13, mention any two objectives, principles and purposes of the UN. We will mark both the answers on page number 235. First mark answer 12. We will remember 6th point, principal organs. First, General Assembly. Second, Security Council. Third, Economic and Social Council. Fourth, Trusteeship, International Court of Justice. 6th, Secretariat. This is your answer 12. And just above this point, 13th answer, objectives and purpose, principles, full. Till assist the UN. This is your answer number 13. Question 14. Mention the importance of the Uniting for Peace resolution. 15th, what is veto? 16th, who are the big five? We will mark all three answers 14, 15, 16 on page number 232. First mark answer 14. On the same page, under the heading Security Council, right hand side, fifth line, China, France, Russia, Britain and the United States of America. These are the permanent members known as Big Five. Question 17. Name the administrative organ of the UNO. Right answer, the Secretariat. Then question 18. Which is the executive organ of the UNO? Right answer, same, the Secretariat. Then why has the Trusteeship Council been dissolved? Mark answer on page number 234. Mark answer 19 on page number 234. Trusteeship Council, right hand side, third line. Trusteeship Council was created at the end of the Second World War to promote the advancement of the inhabitant of these independent territories towards independence. All these territories have attained independence, hence it was suspended in 1994. Question 20. How was the decisions on important matters taken at the General Assembly? Mark answer on page number 231. Mark answer 20 on page number 231. Left hand side, last point, decision making procedures. The decision on important question from here till present and voting. Question 21. Mention any two peaceful measures devised by the Security Council. Mark this answer on page number 233. Mark answer 21. Functions and powers, left hand side. Any 2 points, but I have selected last 2 points of this functions. It may recommended the severance of diplomatic relations. B. It may finally resort to military operations by air, sea and land routes. Question 22. How many judges are there at the International Court of Justice? Right answer 15. 15 judges. Where is the International Court located? The Hague in the Netherlands. Then next question 24. Who appoints the Secretary General? Mark answer on page number 232. Answer 24 on page number 232. Electoral functions. Under the heading electoral functions, third point, second point, it appoints. Cut it, right, General Assembly appoints the Secretary General on the recommendations of the Security Council. Till here, this is your answer 24. Question 25. What is the term of the judges of the International Court? Right, 9 years. Then question 26. What is the term of the non-permanent members of the Security Council? For a term of 2 years. Then question 27. When does General Assembly meet usually? Mark answer on page number 231. On page number 231, under the heading General Assembly composition point, third line, meets every year on the third Tuesday of September. The session continues for 2 to 3 months. This is your answer 27. Next question 28. Mention the voluntary functions of the International Court. Mark answer on page number 234. Open page number 234. Mark answer 28. Left hand side. First para. Voluntary jurisdiction. This is your answer 28. Till reference. Question 29. How are the judges of the International Court appointed? Mark answer on page number 233. On page number 233, left hand side, the International Court of Justice, last para, fifth line, these 15 judges. From here, then next para, right hand side, till nationality, on the basis of nationality. This is your answer 29. Structured questions. With reference to the United Nations Organization, answer the following. Mention the official languages of the UNO. Right answer, Arabic, Chinese, English, Russian, French and Spanish. 1B. What are the objectives and principles of the UNO? And 1C. Point out the purpose of the UNO. We will mark both the answer 1B and C on page number 230. First, mark answer 1B, Principles of the United Nations. Till Charter, this is our answer 1B. And then 1C on the same page, Purpose and the Objectives of the United Nations. Left hand side, last point, full. Then right hand side, till freedom. This is your 1C. But in 1B, objectives have asked, so you will write till nations. Any 3 objectives out of these points you will write in 1B as well. Next, question 2. Identify the picture. This is a picture of flag of United Nations. Who can become the member of this body? You will write answer 9 same, which we have marked in short answer. Question 2B. Mention the different organs of this body. Mark this answer on page number 231. On page number 231, principal organs of the United Nations. 2B, I have marked here. The United Nations is composed till Secretariat. Now 2C, mention the provisions of the Atlantic Charter. Mark answer on page number 227. Open page number 227. 2C, mark from here, respecting each others. Then turn the page till ammunitions. Question 3, in this context of the General Assembly, explain A, its composition on page number 231, we will mark. B, deliberative functions, supervisory functions on page number 232. On page number 231, first mark answer 3A, composition, full para. Then turn the page number 232, 3B, deliberative functions, both the points, and then 3C, supervisory functions, full, till General Assembly. Now question 4, with reference to the Security Council, explain A, why is it called the enforcement wing? B, how can it establish peace in the world? C, other functions of this body. First open page 232 to mark answer 4A. Open page number 232, students. Right hand side you all can see the heading Security Council, first line. It is called the enforcement wing till years. Mark answer 4B on page number 233. Left hand side, functions and powers. I have selected first, second, third, fourth points from starting till aggression. Your answer 4B. And then on the same page, other functions, first 3 points, 4C. Question number 5. In the context of the International Court, answer the following questions. A, its composition. B, its compulsory function. C, its advisory functions. We will mark answer 5A, B and C on page number 233. Mark answer 5A on page number 233. The International Court of Justice, left hand side. Composition from here till their term, expiry of their term. This is your 5A. And then powers and functions, 5B, compulsory function till agreement. This is your answer 5B. And just after this answer, mark answer 5C, advisory opinion till reparation. This para is your 5C. Question 6. With reference to the various organs of the UNO, answer the following. A, explain the Uniting for Peace resolution. Then B, what do you know about composition of the Security Council? C, mention the voluntary jurisdiction of the International Court of Justice. First, we will mark 6A and B on page number 232, students. And then we will mark 6C answer on page number 234. Open page number 232. Left hand side, last para, Uniting for Peace resolution. From here, your answer will start till security. And then 6B, composition, full para till permanent members. 6C answer, same, your answer 28, voluntary jurisdiction, full para on page number 234. Same answer 28. Question 7. In the context of the organs of the UNO, explain A, the electoral functions of the General Assembly. B, the composition of the International Court of Justice. C, what is veto? Name the big 5. 7th B answer, students, answer 5A. Answer 5A and 7B, both are same. And in answer 7C, you will write both the answers short, answer 15 and 16 from short questions. Now I am going to make you mark answer 7A, the electoral functions of the General Assembly on page number 232. Open page number 232, left hand side, fourth point electoral functions. From here till social council, all the 3 points. Question 8. With reference to the various organs of the UNO, answer the following. A. How are decisions made in the General Assembly? Open page number 231. Answer 8A and answer 20 both are same. Decision making procedure, left hand side, last line. From where you have marked answer 20, same answer is your answer 8A as well. Till voting. Now 8th B. What role does the International Court of Justice play in the codification of international law? Mark answer on page number 234. Answer 8B on page number 234. Second point, codification of the international law, left hand side. Full para is your answer 8B. 8C, what do you know about the composition of the Security Council? Again, 6B answer same. Question 9, with reference to the UN Charter, explain the objectives and purpose of the UNO. Right answer 1C, same. Because this question is repeated. The principles of the UNO, right answer 1B, same. And then last 9C, the finance of the UNO, mark answer on page number 230. Open page number 230. Left hand side, 4th point, finance. From here till visitors to the UN. Full para of finance is your answer number 9C, students. Now I want you all to write all the question answers on your history notebook. Thank you.